Another day, another morning. Days pass very fast. But today, look, it's good weather. It's sunny, it's warm, and it's already late. It's already middle of the day. Actually, it's not morning. So, yeah, the sun is still there, down there. It's not up. What's the plan for today? I still don't know. I'm going to the car and I will drive. British people love German cars. I haven't been here for 2 years, 3 years, I think. And you know what? Nothing changed. The same parking space, the same parking lot, the same paint machine, the same bridge, the same building. Unbelievable, but look who I meet, who I met. How you say it correctly? Who I meet or who I met?
Who
I did meet. Yeah, okay, I met them.
Hello.
I think it was more of a younger man. I know it's still happening, but
Chocobo or chocobo?
And blueberry.
Blueberry. Oh, I had the red one.
This is upbeat.
I got a pound.
Oh yes, the positive upbeat. How did you call it? Oh yes, miso with cod. Yes, thank you. That's from him.
that should also have been two.
Bun.
If I was still working baker, on the clock, we're doing right now.
So the Lane7, it's a name actually.
Yes.
Okay, so okay.
I think there might be 7 lanes there. Let's check it out.
Let's check. Oh my god, I didn't see that for 20 years, even more.
Yeah. It's still a thing. 1981.
1981, yeah. Oh wow. Coin. Give me a coin. Give me a coin. Like Facebook. What else they have here? It's a ping pong tables, and actually, what is that? The pool, pool, billiard, and the skating stuff. Oh no, it's not skating. It's mini golf. It's mini golf. What?
Oh,
You could pay with the phone? Wow, that's the modern technologies. All of this stuff, coins? No. Cards? No, you pay with your phone. Looks like Santos played all his life.
Focus.
Round number 3.
That's number 3, yeah?
From the previous one.
Oh, it was. Mine? Oh, I see. So what did I have before? 27, 28.
28. popular place. At the end of the day, you see a lot of people here. I played with some random name, random people. What are those? I want to go inside. Tickets are with the car number.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
It's quite nice.
We're continuing in the hotel. So this is a surprise sweet cocktail without alcohol. I'm not sure what is it, but yeah, looks good.
It's not true.
No, not true cocktail. Or not true that is this one. No, it is.